Welcome back, everybody, to another San Luis Obispo bike dashing video. After watching a lot of the best dasher videos, I learned a couple tips and tricks to make sure you're getting the most bang for buck. Basically, I don't accept an order unless it's at least $2 per mile now. So you'll see me reject a lot of different orders in this video, but this order we're going to get from Doordashing was $5 for like 1.2 miles. So it's a short one, it's a quick one, it was worth it. The wait wasn't too long, and yeah. So let's get into it.
How's it going?
Hey, DoorDash for Zachary.
Pick up for Zachary? Oh, it's a delivery? Alright, it'll be out shortly.
Thanks.
They were still making the order here, so I'm gonna hit them with a order being prepared when I arrived.
I do not like how it smells there.
Pro dasher tip: if you're ever waiting for your food, you can look at where the food is going on the map and see if it's an apartment or if there's any special things to do. This is what I'm doing here while I'm waiting for the jumbo.
Zachary?
Thanks.
Thanks.
Unfortunately, our apartments that we need to go to are blocked off by a fence. First delivery complete, and we're headed back to the hotspot. We did have to wait a long time for the next order, but we were very entertained by a very nice young man in a wheelchair. He was telling us all about how his dumpster diving friend finds all these things for him, and he was showing me one cool item that he got from him.
I'll show you one that he gave me. This keychain with an eagle on it.
Oh, that's super cool.
Yeah, and so if I see something, I'll look at it. I don't necessarily collect the garbage, but he got a computer for me.
Wow.
He said that at the end of the semester at Cal Poly, you can go dumpster diving and get a television set.
I bet there's lots of good stuff at the end of like a school year.
That's right.
People just dump all their stuff that they had because they gotta move out.
Well, why don't you go ahead? You're faster than I am.
Oh, I'm not going anywhere yet.
Okay. See ya.
See ya.
Yeah, I did have to wait a long time for the next order. It was a good like 20 minutes of just trying to get an order and entertain myself while staying in the shade. Alright, after a good 25 minutes, we finally got an order from Popeyes.
Wait 10 minutes? Yeah. Okay. And 12 pieces. The last one? 12 pieces. 12 piece? Yeah. You want the combo? Yeah.
I recommend getting the strawberry lemonade too.
Okay.
Freaking bomb.
You heard it here, folks. It's frickin' bomb.
A side.
Oh,
The
okay.
red beans and rice.
Ernesto?
They got fries. They got mashed potatoes.
The name?
Oh,
Go
okay.
ahead and check the
Fries.
name. What?
I will take fries.
Rice? Okay. That will be it?
Yeah.
Yep. Upgrade this. Oh,
I forgot my straw.
Poquito de papa.
So this delivery is going to the Cal Poly campus, which is not super far, but it is a lot of uphill, which is fine. You know, you got to get the exercise in somehow, but that's the reason that I'm going to be out of breath for the delivery.
Hey, I got your food here.
Alright, I'll be there in a moment.
Alright.
Just looking at the map and realized you were already here.
Alright, I'm in front of the Shake Smart.
Perfect. Alright, thanks.
Bye.
for Ernesto.
Yep.
Perfect.
You have a good one.
Thank you.
Well, that's the first time that's happened to me. We gotta put some weight in there. $14 for 15 miles. Hell no. $6.75 for 1.4 miles. Much better. And this drops me off in a hot zone. Hey. DoorDash for Thomas.
Cool, I'll go check on it.
Once again, checking the drop-off instructions and locations ahead of time while I'm waiting, so I can be just that much faster when I get there.
Oh, I remember this apartment complex.
Yo, I was waiting at this spot for this food for at least like 5-10 minutes. This is not optimal. Charlie's Place, get some better DoorDash systems in place, because This is costing me time and money. I could be doing other orders right now. Oh well, I decided to check my messages and do some Facebook Marketplace stuff.
Thanks. Stabilize that drink.
Save the turtles, guys. No more straws. Just drink your drink out of the cup like a regular human. I mean, no offense to all the disabled people that actually need to use a straw, but yeah. Anyway, we're going back to downtown. Hopefully we get another order quicker than we got that one.
$7 for 3 miles. No. Appreciate the offer.
Yeah, I still didn't get any offers even like 20 minutes after that offer came in. So I decided I'm just gonna bike all the way back across the freeway, across town, back to the tried and true hotspot that I always start at. And lo and behold, we got this double stack order of Panda Express for $9.75 for maybe like 2.8 miles. Very worth it. Let's get it. Did I say 2.8 miles? I meant like maybe 0.2 miles for this first order. It's literally down the street. Whatever, San Luis Obispo, you keep on being lazy and I'll keep on taking advantage of it. Overall, pretty terrible day, honestly. There was a lot of wait time in between orders, and the orders weren't that big. But it was just a quick dash, 1.5 hours. I was busy the whole rest of the day. So, if you liked the video, consider subscribing. If not, have a great day.